Welcome to Blueprint of the Infinite. In this presentation, we will map the boundaries of scientific absolutism and explore the deeply perspectival nature of truth. The coincidence of thought and existence is an impossible standard. While existence is true, our scientific and philosophical abstractions are merely modes of thought. They allow us to approximate reality, but they can never fully embody it. Modern science prizes accuracy, yet it relies on forced numerical operations that act as a quantification filter. From arbitrary problem selection to measurement errors, these filters prevent us from fully capturing universal truth. Truth is categorically larger than proof. History shows us that reality cannot be contained by logic alone. Zeno's antinomies, Gödel's theorems, and Russell's paradox all illustrate that objective reality is a construct rather than a given. Truth is ultimately an interpretation shaped by perspective. Every scientific model or philosophical ism operates within the finitude of human thought, creating frameworks like those explored by Kuhn or Foucault. Let's compare two epistemological operating systems. Scientific absolutism assumes direct, objective perception and eternal truths. Conversely, postmodern perspectivism argues that all facts are interpreted through cognitive conditions, making truth relative. The fact-value dichotomy is collapsing. Hilary Putnam showed that scientific theory choice is inseparable from normative values. Even the most objective facts rely on epistemic values like simplicity, coherence, and the elegance of our models. Paradigm shifts happen in two ways. Relative deterritorialization occurs within established boundaries, while absolute deterritorialization shatters the old framework entirely, giving birth to a completely new perspective. Reality is apeiron, the infinite and the indefinite. Because our cognition is finite, we cannot step outside our own frames to view reality objectively. We are always processing existence through the limitations of human thought. The only absolute truth is that there is no absolute truth. The moment we feel we have grasped a total objective reality, we find that the horizon has expanded, revealing an even larger, more complex world. If reality is infinite, then change and difference are the only constants. This means the pursuit of truth is not a destination to be reached, but an ongoing, infinite process of exploration. We face a dual demand in inquiry. We must strive for objective understanding while respecting the diversity of our cognitive perspectives. Balancing these two needs is the central challenge of modern epistemology. This matrix helps us map common philosophical traps. Whether it's the dogmatism of naive realism or the unchecked relativism of extreme constructivism, most schools of thought struggle to account for both cognitive conditions and the objective world simultaneously. There is a fundamental circularity between cognition and existence. We cannot isolate the observer from the observed. By embracing this circle, we can finally harmonize perspectivism with our rigorous pursuit of the objective world. To conclude, truth is not a static destination. It is a beautiful, finite blueprint that we are continuously drawing across the canvas of an infinite reality.